right, she's putting the extension on. She's putting the extension on the Stealthsonic.
However, when I stand up and you hold me, I'm just going to use this.
All right, so she's gonna find like a little brush thing. And I think you can stand on this to do it. Got to plug it in. All right, so shall we move this over so you can get on it?
Probably need to turn the light off.
Okay, turn the light off.
How do I turn the light off?
Just press it.
This?
No, press the thing next to it.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's see if I can reach.
All right, let's see if she can do it. Now, if she put an extension on it, she could reach.
Okay.
Haha. So now we've got to the crux of the matter.
Just the little one.
Here, grab it. Pull it. Pull it.
My hand, I can't.
You can do it. Okay, put it on. Put that on. All right, here we go. Oh, we've got to turn it on. All right, do it. Get the fan. That's it. Cleaning the fan. Notice how like just one side of it is really grungy? See that? Stealthsonic. Crushing the fan. You guys got to get one of these. Take a look at it. Are you done? Are we going to do the other fan? Now watch, she's going to pull it and it just goes with her. Look, it just follows her like a little robot. But it is. All right, here we go. Cleaning the fan. You want me to turn the light off on that? Or do you want me to stand up there and hold it? Hang on.
I was trying not to get on the bed.
Hang on. All right, go ahead. This one's grungy. That's it. We should have painted these too. You know? Can paint those white. And here comes your next one. Wait a minute. This one you got to get on the tips.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, you got to get that. The body of it. Yeah, right there. And on the tip here. Yeah, that's it. You getting it? You're doing a good job.
Okay, right?
That's it right there. Bam. Stealthsonic kills it. That's how you guys clean your fans. Fan is clean. Look at that. Bam, done.